Hello doctor, how are you? Hi, how are you doing? Doctor, I was feeling a little confused between eyebrow hair transplant and microblading. Which you think will be better for me? Yes, so I do know you were thinking about getting microblading done and you were confused regarding microblading and transplant. So let me clarify between the two things. Uh, Eyebrow hair transplant is going to look way more natural than microblading simply because it's your own natural hair that will start growing. Whereas microblading is only tattoo, and that tattoo is going to run off in a couple of years. Own hair will look very natural, whereas microblading will not look that natural. Doctor, I also feel that microblading is a little cheaper as compared to a hair transplant. So don't you think I should go for microblading for now? Yes, definitely hair transplant is a little pricier as compared to microblading simply because it's permanent. Once your eyebrows grow back, they're going to grow for life. So you never have to worry about the eyebrow fading out. You also never have to worry about the eyebrows looking unnatural because it's your own hair that will grow back. Doctor, I want a one-time solution. I don't want to invest again and again. So which do you think is better, eyebrow transplant or microblading? So if you're looking for a one-time investment, I would suggest go for a hair transplant for the eyebrows because that would be a one-stop solution. You never have to worry about your eyebrows ever again. Thank you so much, doctor. Many people get confused between microblading and eyebrow transplant, which is better. So let me clarify this for you. Eyebrow transplant, you get your real hair back, whereas microblading is a kind of tattoo. So you don't get your real hair back, but the eyebrows are shaped or colored in the shape of the eyebrows as they were originally. But with a hair transplant, we are implanting roots that grow like hair for the rest of your life. So undoubtedly, hair transplant can give you a more natural result because it's your own hair that is growing the way it used to grow previously. Also, the pigment of the tattoo can fade out over time, changing its color. Many a times it happens that initially, when the microblading is done, the color appears black. However, with time the color fades and the color starts looking more bluish, making it look even more unnatural. However, with a hair transplant, you do not have to face any such problems. So hair transplant is a permanent solution to eyebrow thinning because you have your own natural hair growing for life. However, microblading is a very temporary solution where the color might even fade and you might have to get a microblading done again and again. So in my opinion, hair transplant is a much better choice if you have eyebrow thinning.